Hello! This short video will show you how to find your fast ads. So, from the launch page of LS2, go to LS2 Reports and log in. And we want to go to Items and Titles. From Items and Titles, we want to go to Lists. Then we want to find new or edited titles for location. So I don't see that on this first page. So right up here in this right corner, you'll see arrows. I want to click on this arrow symbol, not the last one. The last one will take you to the very last page. So this will take me to the next page. So I want to click on that. And I don't see it on this page either. So I want to click one more time. And here is new or edited titles for location. So I want to select that. And we want to follow this in this order, okay? We don't want to go straight down selecting items. So we want to select Jefferson, because that's where I am. And I want it to include new and edited titles. And then I want it to have fast ad upgrade. So I want to select that one. And then I want to sort by title. I want to pick a date range. So I'm going to go from January, since we got the system, to today's date. And I want to select Finish. So I've only created one fast ad here. So if I want to delete this fast ad, I would need to highlight and press Control and the letter C at the same time. And then I want to go back to my launch page to LS2 Staff. And I'll log on. My internet's really slow. And then I'll go to Staff Services and select Titles and Items. And I'll right-click to paste that 3D Doodler pen. And here it is. It's a fast ad. So if I want to delete that so it no longer appears, I would select my location, select the item, and then delete. And it will take it off. All right. I hope this helps you find your fast ads so you can clean up your catalog. Thanks so much. Have a great day.